Question: what is a confidence interval? Answer: a confidence interval, in statistics, refers to the probability that a population parameter will fall between a set of values for a certain proportion of times. Analysts often use confidence intervals that contain either 95% or 99% of expected observations. Thus, if a point estimate is generated from a statistical model of 10.00, with a 95% confidence interval of 9.50 to 10.50, it can be inferred that there is a 95% probability that the true value falls within that range. Probability mass function can be defined as the probability that a discrete random variable will be exactly equal to some particular value. In other words, the probability mass function assigns a particular probability to every possible value of a discrete random variable. Let x be the discrete random variable. Then the formula for the probability mass function, f x, evaluated at x, is given as follows: f x equals p x equals x. The cumulative distribution function of a discrete random variable is given by the formula f x equals probability x less than or equals x. Binomial distribution is a discrete distribution that models the number of successes in n Bernoulli trials. The probability mass function of a binomial distribution is given as follows: p x equals x equals ncx p caret x 1 minus p caret n minus x. Probability density function, a function that defines the relationship between a random variable and its probability, such that you can find the probability of the variable using the function, is called a probability density function (PDF) in statistics. It is defined for the continuous random variable. Example: PDF of the uniform random variable f x equals 1 b minus a when a and lieutenant x and lieutenant b. Describe the Bayes theorem. Answer: Bayes theorem is a way of finding a probability when we know certain other probabilities. The formula is p a b equals and quot p a p b a and quat phosphorus monoboride. Examples on Bayes theorem: imagine you are a financial analyst at an investment bank. According to your research of publicly traded companies, 60% of the companies that increased their share price by more than 5% in the last 3 years replaced their CEOs during the period. At the same time, only 35% of the companies that did not increase their share price by more than 5% in the same period replaced their CEOs. Knowing that the probability that the stock prices grow by more than 5% is 4%, find the probability that the shares of a company that fires its CEO will increase by more than 5%. Solution: probability of a. The probability that the stock price increases by 5%. Probability of b. The probability that the CEO is replaced. Probability of a given b. The probability of the stock price increases by 5% given that the CEO has been replaced. Probability of b given a. The probability of the CEO replacement given the stock price has increased by 5%. Probability of a given b equals probability b given a asterisk probability. Probability of b equals 0.6 asterisk 0.04 0.6 asterisk 0.04 0.35 1 to 0.04 equals 0.067.